Mobility Scooter, how to change a flat tire after a puncture. This video is a little bit different because the rim is seized onto the machine, so therefore we're going to have to do an on-rim tire change. Before we get started, could you please take a moment to like and subscribe? It's free and it'll help me out. Okay, let's get started right now.
So this wheel here, as you can see, is a little bit off the rim, but it's seized on. I tried pulling it off and I cannot get this thing off. So I'm either going to do, well, I'll probably end up doing an on tire or an on rim tire change. I don't like doing it that way, but I can't get that guy off, and all I'm going to do is damage more parts trying to get it off. So let's see what happens. I have this guy up on a stand, so this guy free floats. I'm going to take my rusty 9/16. I thought this would be metric, but guess what? It's not. So all I'm going to do, ideally, here, I'll do the back as well here. So all I'm going to do is separate the rim, pull everything off, separate the rim, pull everything off, put all new stuff on, and then put the rim back together. And that's about it, and it should be done, hopefully, because this rim will not come off. Okay, now for some of you that have been watching my channel, I just went and picked up this Maximum because I broke it, and it's can't be more than a month or two old, and it's already rusting, and that's from just sitting inside the toolbox. I don't know, this didn't come from there, so you're like, oh well, everything's rusted, but no. Okay, let's slam this guy on here. Let's take those lugs out. So this hub here would not come off. So what I did is I just separated the wheel, or separated the rim. Doesn't matter, I'm not using any of that stuff. Okay, now that I've got the wheel off, one little problem is I got the new tires. The original has the bent valve, and I ordered the straight valve. It'll still work, but it would be much better if it was bent, because it's harder to put air in, especially for somebody who's disabled. Okay, so let's assemble this. So first I'm going to put the tube in, and I'm going to put a little bit of air in. I got two hands. Too much. I just want it to fill up the space so it doesn't pinch itself, okay? Oops. A little windy out for this today. So our valve's going to rest like that. Put our backing plate on. bit more air inside. Make sure nothing's spun. You see how tight that is in there? That's why I wish I would have gotten the bent one, because this is extremely difficult to put air in. I need a pair of needle nose. That guy's locked in. This guy isn't going anywhere now. So now I'm going to put all of them except for that one on. I'll do that one last. You don't want to put this up to pressure until you have the other bolts in, because if you put up the pressure, you can actually crack the casting from the air pressure going into this thing. I know it sounds a little crazy and far-fetched, but you can. Little zap. We're at 12 pounds. How much am I actually putting into this guy? Maximum 40 psi. So 30 should be good. You don't want it too hard. Oh, 35. 40's max, we'll go 30, 35, yeah. There you go, that guy's on there. It. Okay, so go. And that's it. She's ready to ride again. Put the seat back on. There's our valve stem. Our valve stem cap. And it's good to go.
Before we part ways, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. All you have to do is click on the icon on my face and I'll do the rest. Also, if you want to see other great videos that are just general fixes, check out my YouTube channel, Ray's Fix. And if you're into machining, check out my YouTube channel, Shop and Math. Thank you for watching the video and have a great night.